Good morning, students. How are you today? Let's start our third term. Today's lesson, my food. In today's lesson, you will learn new words by looking at pictures on the topic my food. And you will learn how to say what you like or what you don't like to drink and to eat. Please look here. We can see letters C and H. The combination of these letters gives us the sound ch. Ch. For example, chicken, chimp, cheese, lunch. Very good. Don't forget, remember them. Today's our new words. Milk. Repeat. Milk. Milk. Very good. Banana. Banana. Juice. Juice. Cheese. Cheese. Chicken. Chicken. Eggs. Eggs. Very good. You are brilliant. Now, let's watch video and try to remember new words.
Foods and drinks. Cheese.
Cheese.
Chicken.
Chicken.
Egg.
Egg.
Juice.
Juice.
Milk.
Did you watch our video? I hope you remember new words. Good job. Now, look here. Exercise number 1. We can see here food and drink. We can see here pictures and you should write their names. Try to do them by yourself. Have you finished? Good job. If you remember new words, let's try to make sentences. Please repeat after me. I like. I like. I don't like. I don't like. Do you like? Yes, I do. No, I don't. It's yummy. It's yummy. It's yucky. It's yucky. Now, let's watch one more video. I hope you like it.
Do you like broccoli? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you like ice cream? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you like broccoli ice cream? No, I don't. Yucky. Do you like donuts? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you like juice? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you like donut juice? No, I don't. Yucky. Do you like popcorn? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you like pizza? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you like popcorn pizza? No, I don't. Yucky. Do you like bananas? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you like soup? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you like banana soup? No, I don't.
I hope now you know how to make sentences. Let's do some tasks. Do you like? Look here. I will help you. You can repeat after me. I like bananas. I don't like cheese. I like milk. I don't like eggs. I like cheese. I like juice. I don't like chicken. Now, one more task. We can see here food and try to make sentences by yourself. I'm sure you can do it. For example, I like chicken. I don't like eggs. Now, your turn. Okay. Home tasks for today. Please open your books, pupil's book, at page 61. We can see here little story. At home, try to read it by yourself. Next, our task is exercise 1, page 60, activity book. Here we can look, read, and put a tick or a cross. How do you like the lesson? It was great, it was good, or you don't like it? I hope you like our lesson. See you next time. Bye.